Don't make the same money mistakes that I made, because if you do, you will learn the hard way. And the borrower is a servant of the lender. So why not be the master? Don't use your own emergency fund to fund another person's emergency. Debt is the certain outcome of an uncertain income. If you are 6 feet under the ground today, life will move on without you, as fast as the instant that you draw the last breath. When all your friends who do not have what you have, when they zap you dry, you now be on the same level as them. You'll be singing the same kind of songs along the lines of, oh, I'm broke. Oh, I don't get money. Oh, sapa deal. If this person comes, you give. If that person comes, you give. This bill comes up, you handle it. What is left for yourself? Today I'm sharing with you 5 money mistakes that many Nigerians make that keep them broke and how you can actually fix them. Hello once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Steve, and in today's video, I'm sharing with you 5 financial mistakes that cost me time, more money, and peace of mind. And trust me, I've made silly money mistakes that you don't have to. On this channel, I talk about money, business, investing, wealth building, and anything personal finance. So if you're tired about being broke before getting your salary or your earnings, or you feel like you're just working for money just to survive and you want to do better, then watch this video to the end, because the fourth and fifth mistake you might be making, if you fix it, might be the game changer for you. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor. I just want to share my experiences and the things that I've learned that have saved me from repeating past mistakes in the future. And I hope they do the same for you. Also, please do your own research before making any financial investment or before starting any business. Like they say, the first law of any business or investment is investigation. So let's dive in. 5 money mistakes you shouldn't ignore. The money mistake number 1 is giving out money just because you have it. See, if you don't plan your money, others will plan it for you. Look, helping people is good, it feels good. But carrying their whole financial problem like it's your calling is a very bad idea. I used to say yes to every request. Oh, you need help with rent. Oh, you are short on school fees. Before I knew it, my bank account was looking like someone had pressed Ctrl Delete on my savings. A survey by Cowrywise revealed that 63.8% of Nigerians report that their income is not enough for them alone, let alone with dependents. The key lesson here is to learn to say no without feeling guilty. Set boundaries when it comes to your money when they seek financial assistance. You are not an ATM machine. You are human as well. Sure, assist people, but don't carry their full bukata on your head. I mean their responsibilities, like you are God. Now, a Yoruba proverb says that one rich man among his 5 friends means they are all poor. What does that mean? It means when all your friends who do not have what you have, when they zap you dry, you now be on the same level as them. You'll be singing the same kind of songs along the lines of, oh, I'm broke. Oh, I don't get money. Oh, sapa deal. When your savings are gone, those people may not be there to help you. Mind you, I didn't say they won't help you. You know what I said. So set boundaries and remember, your own financial security comes first. So prioritize your financial health to avoid overextending yourself. Don't use your own emergency fund to fund another person's emergency. And that brings me to another money mistake, which is not staying out of debt as soon as possible. Debt is the certain outcome of an uncertain income. It's like quicksand. When it sucks you in, it doesn't let you go. You've probably heard people say, but debt is part of wealth creation. Yes, that's true. Only if you are talking about good debts. Let's be real. Most people take on bad debts for stupid things. They borrow funds for businesses they haven't tried or tested. They take on loans to buy gadgets and clothes just to impress others. See, it is now easier than ever before to accumulate personal debts, especially through loan apps. You have to be very cautious. And my Yoruba people would say that Aki Yahweh Lele Shesho, meaning you don't take on high interest loans just to buy accessories to look good and impress people. Because those people you are actually trying to impress, they don't care. Even the Bible says that the rich ruleth over the poor, and the borrower is a servant of the lender. So why not be the master? And how do you do that? Take my advice. What do you do? Live within your means, because debt is the number one income slayer. So why not build a business that can increase your income while you still can, while you are still young? You can also save to fund your ideas. You can cut your spending gradually. Never borrow money to buy wants, especially if it's just to look rich. For example, you need a moderate clothes to cover your body, right? Not an expensive one. There's a clear difference. See, if you can stay out of debt as soon as possible, your journey to wealth will be a lot easier. Before we move on to the next money mistake, do consider subscribing to this channel. If you are new, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my future videos. Now, another thing that I've learned the hard way is this. Keep at least 5 months of running costs saved. And this is where I failed so badly. I used to invest in everything as soon as possible. I used to spend all my cash. When it comes to land, I'm buying it. When it comes to business opportunity, just count me in. And the reality sets in, and that's bills, rent, electricity, food, unforeseen circumstances. And it doesn't stop. You know why? I've spent all my cash. I've invested all my cash. Cash flow is king in Nigeria or Africa of today, because a 100,000 naira problem or emergency can really, really mess you up. Not that you are not worth more than 100,000 naira, but liquidity, cash, is king. Before I knew it, I was actually borrowing crazy interest rate money. I was borrowing to survive. Then I realized that growing wealth is not actually a sprint. It's a long-term game. It's a journey. So don't spend or invest all your cash. Have some running costs. And this will be to your advantage, because even when opportunity comes, when opportunity presents itself, it's the man with cash that wins, not the man that is trying to convert his assets to cash. Now, the key takeaway here is have at least 4 to 5 months of running costs. Save it up. Maybe for personal upkeep, maybe for household expenses, maybe for emergencies or health, maybe for business needs. Cash is king. See, this one particular fix, it brought me peace of mind. And if you're an impulse buyer, you are going to thank yourself later, trust me. You know why? You have a cushion to fall back on. Once again, cash is king. The number 5 money lesson on this list will elaborate more on how you should go about having 4 to 5 months of your running cost, maybe for easy cash access. I'm going to elaborate more on that when we get to 4 and the 5th money mistake. But first, let's talk about another one, which is a mistake that many Nigerians are actually making, and you need to fix it right now, which is not paying yourself first. You actually have to pay yourself first because you deserve it. The first tax you should ever pay is to yourself. Before you pay anyone, before you pay the government, before you pay your household, pay yourself first. The first person you should pay is actually you. Now, let me ask you, when was the last time you actually treated yourself nice? When? When? I personally used to focus on being responsible, paying bills, helping people, investing for the future, until I realized that I wasn't actually enjoying the fruits of my labor. Here's one bitter truth I want you to pay attention to. If you are 6 feet under the ground today, life will move on without you, as fast as the instant that you draw the last breath. Let that sink. See, you must have heard people saying life goes on, right? It's true. Life goes on without you. If this person comes, you give. If that person comes, you give. This bill comes up, you handle it. What is left for yourself? What is left for you? Learn to pay yourself first. Save a small percentage every month, maybe for treats, whether it's shopping, maybe it's a nice meal, or even a vacation, to create memories for yourself. Look good, feel good, because it is you that worked to earn that money. See, it doesn't have to be something that is extravagant. Just do something to remind yourself that you matter too. You deserve it. See, if you are married, If you have kids, it doesn't stop you from paying yourself first. Even if it's just 5,000 naira every month, or even if it is weekly, just to treat yourself nice, buy something for yourself, invest in the Nigerian stocks. Know that it is you and you alone that owns that, not your wife or your kids. See, at old age, it is going to be you and you alone, especially as a man. So start paying yourself a certain percentage every week or every month by investing in maybe shares, in real estate, in money market mutual funds, and the likes. Because old age no dey joke. Oh. Another money mistake many Nigerians make is not being intentional about their financial situation. A lot of people don't track their money. And the worst financial mistake anyone can be making is not knowing where your money is coming from and where your money is going. Nigeria's national debt is forecasted to increase by 84.1% between 2024 and 2029, reaching $174 billion by 2029. What I'm saying is you should use that projected rise in national debt as a cautionary tale for your own personal finances. I used to wonder, why exactly am I broke? Then I checked my spendings. See, utilities is too high, feeding is too high, emergency has no budget, needless spending is out of control. And when it comes to careless charity, it's not in check. The key lesson here is dedicate about 45% of your income to needs like rent, like utilities, food, transportation, internet subscription, and other needs. Now, allocate a specific percentage to savings, maybe for investment, for emergencies or health, fund money, car repairs if you own one. And if you are planning to get one, buy something that is cheap to maintain. One more thing, budget before you receive payment or your salary. In my next video, I actually talked about 3 things you should do immediately you get paid. Things to manage your money like the rich and wealthy do. You don't want to miss it. So check it out. Now, I've talked about 5 money mistakes that Nigerians make that keep them broke and how to fix them. Let's do a quick recap because now you know better. The number 1 is stop giving out money just because you have it. The number 2 is to stay out of debt, especially bad debt. The next one is to save at least 4 to 5 months worth of your running cost because cash is king. Next is to pay yourself first because you deserve it. And the final one is to track your income and expenses because you have to be very intentional about your money. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button, drop your comments because I'd like to know the exact money mistake you are making. My name is carelessly, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos about money, personal finance, investing, wealth creation, and stuff like that. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in another one.